If you want to download GOG, I'll show you the fastest way to get it done in just a few easy steps. Whether you're trying to install GOG Galaxy for the first time or just want the official download page, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and safely. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to GOG.com. This is the official website, so always start here to make sure you're downloading the correct software from a trusted source. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right area of the site. You should see an option for GOG Galaxy. Click that button to go to the GOG Galaxy download page. Now you'll be taken to the GOG Galaxy section. On this page, you'll see the download option for GOG Galaxy 2.0. Click on Download GOG Galaxy 2.0 to begin downloading the installer. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, just approve it and let the file save to your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer from your Downloads folder and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The installation is usually straightforward, so just keep clicking through the prompts until GOG Galaxy is installed. Once it's finished, you can launch the app and sign in or create an account if needed. From there, you'll be able to browse your library, manage your games, and use GOG Galaxy to keep everything organized in one place. The key thing to remember is to always download from the official GOG website so you avoid fake links or unsafe software. That's the safest and easiest way to get started. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.